Test latin secretary to and guidance la people la kasushu ani kerangi lota ta kerangi lota ta imba ina dingindung kerangi chidure kerangi chido agus kitawa dinala kare kare chungido chida kepa nala kare kare chungido odikola nganzo reading chigi ra. If you want to watch in English language, then you can check your timestamp in the description box. Okay. Ani tambu dikachi ilana kirangi current energy kande do chidura talo da so current energy kande do check chaira ani yang kiran so ikalaure shabotis yapuchi na mashian. Okay, ani kiran so current energy check chegin di chini kalaure. Okay, kirangi current energy reta ra ani kiran so health ani kiran so relationship ani kiran so kalaure career ani kiran so 3 big blessings. Okay, lah. Kiranzola blessings. Tawati na kare kare do on the god. Tambo kirangi current energy retara. Tambo kirangi current energy kare do lana. Kirantis chikangi kare do chiki ho ine kirangira ask for help like on the shirachi me wa to do ya. Kirangi the relationship na la nyok sing kangi do te to bodo japa so blaming gaming to say the yo chiyora kyunor like so so ex match on the day in sigre yang kaje chiki chidu ne ning che yang so so health trading kala kangi te de ne menga amji tyen ko ya den so ta ma tyen to da on the day kangi yang tyen na ya ko cha to gyo da ma tyen ne de to da on the day in sigre ra ani yang kaje ching ne yang bisha kangi do ti du sam ne yang bisha to la yang che go ya to so so le ga che go ya to da de yora de ma chi de in sigre ka ta kiran so gira so che go ya di ta ma chi ani yang help yang so so kangi te na yang tyen go ra ya mare o de ma te ani so so kangi di kan la zui de ja nga kangi ye tu la ni kangi de na zui de o de do energy do shi ting do ra ta kwa ge me do shi ne pa so blaming gaming do se de na so so gen so so ke or so so nga nor sha kyu nor sha nga nor sha except chora except ma je kyu nor la de o de do la ta khang dar kiran so ga current energy o de do shi ting do okay ra and kiranzola energy tsu kharido chi yungidu la nara ta di Knight of Pentacles legi du ani kiranzola ra sangina yi chima ta yungdur dila ta khapenging chi mudo energy kari legi du la na kiranzola ra kiranzogira ta soso yi gau yusa soso yi o di ta ngonne ngala goye di dire du la echo di soso gau yusa kare ni insi ra soso yi ra gau yusa mi gau yusa leka soso yi gau yusa semo kala ne nga semo na kashuta nga dire sha la echo yakshuta nga dila se tu du la trading kala ne ta khare kang la ne ra soso yi da activity to which subu trading kala samata wa ne nga trading kala di china pia ko du la echo o di soso yi ha go sare yo sangine to mo ha go sare la ni shei okay ani kiranzo wa chira health kala khare li du la na yang oh my god wheel of fortune li do da kiranzo health kala tanda pado kiranzo kanye timena da best free health kala kanye the dingi di khareta khariyo ina yang wheel of fortune di agas na le yung di kiranzo kanye de ge sama le ma tue tingi ortara kharreto la kanye tigyo ine kiranzo la dile ma tue ge thap lamga di rado re an kiranzo la kanye dile ma tue re la shwe ini kiranzo diet kang la ine ma diet di chigi me calories ina nga da weight lose to chigi sama calories digam sagi tagam smashi sagi me la do da so chik yora se ya po se jo de structures se jo life health kala main do chik so namgyun entertain tigyo ine main do tak la sa ni chedin do da so yi sab je to gya ani hang sang ye gi change yak pu je to gya ra ani di gala ani khatsu so yi change khatsu so yerge tang wa da comes ge dibu yang to ye jo khashi yang kale khatsu gya ne dibu shi to tingi mi do ani diet shi gu lingyu ye da super trading yar do gyo den ge thong mi do la de yora de mai bache mone so kale gya wa na shi dibu yang to ani so pe da wa ya ga la sa me jo trading kan la da kran do hang sang ye trading sang bo yak pu chi du ra yak pu cha ge du august la sang hang sang yak pu du da kran zo sim de chuni mi du khari na khari sa khari do chi do de ne re da sang ma yak pu cha ge du an kran zo na da already yak pu pe yo and da dile yak ri cha ma shi dile du ro do da chance ko mi du la jo spare trading yak pu cha ge du okay ani kran zo ga chi khala ore relationship wa kiran so khaje chikta danda khale love relationship la yo aina changsa gya engagement che thinde changma changya tingi du da and kiranzo tanda single himba ina kiranzo tanda kone kalawre relationship pe yakpo kiranzo la rat rainbow yakpo sosola goe di takta rand me o tindi do chitingi relationship banging chimu do relationship pe ko do a celebration do kiranzo relationship and kiranzo already relationship na lo changsa gap sar and bu yu and chingi na ni pe picnic do tang kip tang ka to doing on the the do da ni yang changsa shimba gi changsa and la visit che party and la visit che o tindi do tingi do ka celebration che relationship already relationship na la yung the zoni deep sare things separate rich me o the tingi to da kiranzo relationship ta pe ko hang sang ya potential health yak ta relationship yak ta do kiranzo ya kam kalaure ani kiranzo khachi khala already career ka la ne kiranzo yang ne career di khari na nga khari chela ing yu na nga khari chela yapo yu na so career ka la ti sik so deep analyze che me so la ke ya poti nga khari do chi yarge tang thu gyu na nge khari do chi thu gyu lok thu ne nga khari do chi gi changgo ina khande do chi nga chang na nga i maung pala yapo cha gi yu na same to da lega chi nge di zu ne so nga khari do chi yarge tang thu du da so nge thanda pa do chang sha ge chi yo ra da ti khala beju tang go ina same da so beju tang ya du se le me so danda ba do shi ma chang sha gyo yo ine da tinzo da ye du beju tang ya du se le so lai chao di tingi du chi de ke na la yo kiran zo ka le kyap chang sha gyo de ge chang ma beju a ta nyong ma tende chi chang sha da ta ti beju ta ka jung slash me o tende do shi tingi du okay kiran zo ani kiranzo achi three big blessings tambo ora death card da kiranzo danda difficulties kare kanye kala kiranzo dodi ne ra kiranzo relationship kala kanye thodi ne re kiranzo career kala kiranzo sacha di makani kanye the kare thola kiranzo danda kanye thedi ne kiranzo kanye dile to be agi kiranzo danda kare toji la khar de ne din ma fishik ma thuen to ge gira kiranzo la khala ore blessings ki formula death card list ra tin din kiranzo khala ore danda kanye khande do chi the de ne din ma thuen to ge le pe shide peaceful kang thuen to ge gira kiranzo la blessings card ligi do okay blessings kala kiranzo la death card le so ani kiranzo kanye dele ma thuen to ge shige ore ani kiranzo la blessings niwa di khar ligi do la na ra ani kiranzo la partnership ra tagi etungi da changsa partnership ta kiranzo khashi chikta wonne changsa gya da gya do insar nge se bala yo ani kiranzo khala ore so soulmate do le ra da so wonne singo ma gille da so nam yogyo mi so nyam do thuk ani so yondi nyam do mi se ke serious ta deep relationship cha ani changsa gap ta mi se ke laura da o dene do chi dene partnership tingi durani give and take barabar balance life la balance ra ani kiranzo da ka love relationship la dagi blame game do see da kesi kiranzo tinde yimba ina yang kiranzo ga ta august dinala phazu pe understanding level high chaya ra phazu samshi shimbuli thu ya phai ne samshi ya puchi du su ne samshi ya puchi du phazu pe samshi ya puchi thu ya o thende yi kat li dura kiranzo la samshi la di gora da relationship na la man di samshi mare ra phazu samshi che ani phazu sewa che ra o de sangma deep sare to kiranzo relationship ya po di kana blessings legi dura ni wadi ani kalaure blessings sumati kiranzo la the chariot leader an kiranzo khare danda khare doji la kiranzo gi leka doji ta tugri doji gya de ra kiranzo danda khare chi di yo ondi kala kiranzo la success da kiranzo full success ma donne danda kalaure chinde kewa dinala kalaure chinde kewa dinala o the dila dibu tu la cha so yapu chagi du nge dinde chi kale gya na dila yang dila papi dibu epe yapu thungi du la ni so ne ha go do chira o de gi success ra khachi chi chi da thanda ba do shima shikale gya na kiranzo victory ra lok tu do ina da kiranzo danda igu tu tang competition tu da khare ka ma thugyo ina kiranzo top ya chance pe shuk chi bu du ya top da khala ore competition tu na participate chwa ina kiran top ya gi chance pe shuk chi bu tingi du ra ani khachi chi du da yang lungba shimba ina lega chaga to sam thigyo ine ta odi samar raya gi chance ti shuk chimbu dingi do agustina la ya kiranzo la blessings ki form na la ondi ligi du la ni shai okay ani kiranzo wa reading dagam si kiranzo gi yakpo do tong wa ina ngindung de la kadak channel la subscribe ra ani ondi na ro chi ani kiranzo last time gi reading na ya so la indi chung so odi yakpo cha so do samba ina ani de ge sama comment section la ri chi la ni shai okay ani ngindung de sibala to chi nang nyur tu chi yong bye bye. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is horse, then this video is for you. I am going to do your current energy and then I will see what is happening in August month for you. So many of you have requested me to speak in English so that you can understand. So I hope you will understand whatever I say. Okay, so first I will do your current energy. Your current energy is coming Five of Pentacles. So this says if you're going through some difficulties and you have to seek the help from the profession, okay, but you are not seeking that. You are going through some difficulties. I see that this can be in your relationship. You are going through difficulties in your relationship and you are playing blame game. So you are blaming each other like this is your fault. No, this is your fault, like that in a relationship. This can be also happening in your relationship right now. Your current This is your current energy. Or if you are going through some difficulties with your health but you are not seeking the professions, so that can be also possible. So whatever you are going through, there is some difficulties you are going through. If you are going through some difficulties with your financial, you have to work towards that as well, but you are not doing that right now. I don't see you're taking some actions. Is that true? Okay, let me know in the comment section. And the upcoming energy towards you is the Knight of Pentacles. So this says you are going to get some opportunity, you are going to find your passion towards something. Okay, so you will feel like, oh, this is what I wanted for so long, but right now I am getting this, and you are going to be very happy with that opportunity. Okay, so this can be anything. This can be your relationship, this can be in your career, this can be in your health or whatever. This can be in anything. You are going to feel very happy about this opportunity, this passion. Okay. And about your health, I can see your health is going to be very good in this August month because the Wheel of Fortune is coming. So when this comes, you are going to be very healthy, very lucky. And if you even going through some difficulties with your health, you are going to deal with that and you are going to be very healthy in August. Okay. You are taking your diets very seriously in this August month. Okay. So you are counting your calories and I'm eating this, that, like that. Okay. So you're very active towards your health in this August month. So your health is going to be very good. And in your relationship, if you are single, you are going to get a mingle, and if you are mingle, you are going to get married, or you can also do engagement with your partner, or if you are a family person, then you are going to celebrate some family time, some picnic, or you can visit some functions of marriage functions, or this can be anything. Okay, so your relationship is going to get deeper connection with your partner. Okay, so relationship is coming very good. And in your career, the Hermit card is coming. So when this card comes, you have to seek inside of you, what am I very good at, what have I learned till now that I can use, right? So you are going to ask yourself these kind of questions, and then you will feel like, okay, so I know this and I'm going to use this, and I'm not good at this, I'm very good at this. And you are going to the differentiate what you are good at and what you are not good at. Okay, so you are going to analyze yourself. Okay. And for the blessings, the Death card is coming. If you are going through difficulties in any situation, like this can be in a relationship, this can be in a career, this can be in health. If you are going through some difficulties in something, then you are going to come out from that as a blessings. Okay, your this is your first blessings, and your second blessing is Two of Cups. Okay, so you are going to, yes, again there's a partnership is showing. So you are going to get married if you're in a relationship, or if you're single, you're going to get mingle, and you are going to meet your soul mate, your connection, previous life connection. Okay, you have very deep connection with your previous life person. Okay, so I tried my best. I hope you understand. Okay. So, and third blessing is the Chariot. Okay, so if you are working towards something, then you are going to get success in that. If you are a student and you are going to do some competition, some championship, then you are going to be a champion. Okay, so you are going to get lots of trophy. Okay, for whatever you do in this, you can receive that in August month. Okay, so as a blessing. So you are going to be very you are going to feel very victorious. Okay, so I can do anything. I will do anything. Okay, you are feeling very confident. Okay, so as a blessings. Okay, so these three are your blessings, and your cards are very good for the August month, and I hope you understand very well and you received your message very well. And If you feel anything, you can write down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.